Well, you ready, Abby?
Ready.
Put Mommy's Christmas present together?
Yes.
Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we'll let you in on a little secret here. We got Mara seat cover Christmas present, but we have to put it together. It's kind of like the elves. Maybe, actually. There we go.
Oh.
Think Mom will like this?
Yes, and it's yellow. Her favorite color.
Her favorite color.
I don't know why, but...
Because we have a new shop being built, we decided that Mara needed her own toolbox for the new shop. In case you're wondering, the update on the new shop, well, it's not going very well. A lot of delays. Take a look.
The houses are barely even up.
So we'll walk you out to the site of the shop here and show you the lack of progress. We've been running into delay after delay, and well, now the weather's kind of caught up with us, and I don't know if we're gonna get it done this winter or not. Here we go. We have materials on site, including all the trusses, but they haven't got all the posts in the ground yet. We have our floor drain, and we have some plumbing roughed in, but I'm afraid we're gonna have a real hard time pouring concrete now. So anyway, this is what's been happening. It's been going way too slow. I was really hoping that we would be in this shop this winter, be able to get some things done, but it doesn't look that way. Well, it says the first thing to do is to put the wheels on. So the head of the bolt is a carriage bolt.
Okay.
Goes in the square hole.
Okay.
And it'll lock into the square hole. How do you like that?
It looks nice.
Hopefully Mommy will like it, huh? You're gonna wrap it for me?
We don't have enough paper.
Oh. Oh, well, I got a secret. Here.
You sure that's a secret?
This is a bag.
It's a present on wheels.
Abby got some accessories for the toolbox. Don't tell Mara, we want it to be a secret. I'm not worried because she'll open them before you see this video. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe, and what?
See ya in the woods.
Yeah.